trick or treat, matey.
What the hell? Halloween isn't for another 2 weeks. What are you doing here?
Trick or treating.
I mean, I haven't gone out and bought any candy yet. I don't have anything. I mean, I'll see what I can find, but I can't promise you anything. No candy, but I do have this entire head of cauliflower.
Oh, well, okay.
And you might not want it, but there's also this Heinz sweet chili sauce.
Well, so long as it's sweet, I guess. Thank you.
No problem.
Have a happy Halloween.
Safe voyage.
Safe voyage? Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Trick or treat? Halloween's not for like another 2 weeks.
Well, I mean, do you have anything?
Yeah, you actually have, yeah, I got something. Get rid of this. Got some sriracha sauce and some garlic you can have.
Well, thank you.
All right.
Well, have a good one, man.
You too.
Well, I guess that one's coming. Don't mind if I do. Delicious. Yo-ho, me hearties, yo-ho! Avast me hearties, and welcome to a special Halloween edition of Cooking Corner with Giuseppe CrimiVaroli. I've been plundering all night and have a bountiful booty of pirate's treasure for us to cook with tonight. Let's have a look at what ingredients I've managed to scrounge up. We've got sriracha sauce. We've got sweet chili sauce. We've got 1 jar of minced garlic. We've got 1 lime, and shiver me timbers, what's this? A whole head of ghost broccoli. Ooh! Using these ingredients, we're gonna chef up some spicy ghost broccoli. For this recipe, you're gonna need the following hardware. You're gonna need a medium to large mixing bowl. You're also gonna need some cooking spray. You're going to need a measuring spoon and a knife, and you're going to need a cutting board. Oh, and there's one more thing. That's right, folks, we're introducing a new member of the Cooking Corner family. Today we introduce the air fryer. As always, folks, step number 1 is going to be wash your hand and hook. So go ahead, turn your sink on, stick your hand and hook underneath, get them both nice and moist. Once they're both nice and damp, put some soap on them. Rub that soap all around under the water, get all over the hook, get on your hand, get on the back of your hand, get the knuckles, get in between the fingers. And once you think your hands are all clean, just turn the water off, flick your hands out, dry your hook first, and dry your hand. And we're ready to cook. Moving right along, folks, we're on to step number 2. And step number 2 is going to be cut your ghost broccoli. What you're going to do in this step is you're just going to take a knife of your choice and cut your ghost broccoli into pieces. Don't worry, it's already dead. That's why it's a ghost. So, to start, you take your ghost broccoli and turn it upside down so the stem is facing up. Then you take your knife or sword and cut all the way around the middle. You want to remove the middle of the ghost broccoli. As you do, pieces of the ghost broccoli are just going to fall right off. Once the middle's all gone, you'll be left with these little ghost broccoli florets, and you can just cut them to your desired size and throw them in a bowl to coat with the sauce. Now that we've got a heaping bowl of ghost broccoli, it's time to move on to the next step. Moving right along, folks, we're on to step number 3. And step number 3 is going to be make your sauce. Now, for your sauce, what you're going to do is combine the following ingredients in your mixing bowl. You're going to combine 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of sriracha. Not easy when you have no depth perception. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. And the juice from 1 lime. Ah, my eye! Alright everybody, now that all your ingredients are in the bowl, it's time to mix them up. Now that my eye is all healed up, I can see that the mixture is looking a little bit thick. So, what we're going to do is add 3 tablespoons of olive oil per batch of mixture. Alright, now that we've added the olive oil, the mixture is looking a lot better. So this is what your mixture should look like when it's done. Moving right along, we're on to step number 4. And step number 4 is going to be coat your cauliflower with your sauce. Now, the best way to do this is, in my opinion, using your hands. So go ahead and take your cauliflower and add it to your bowl with your mixture, and then just start tossing it around until all the cauliflower is coated. Alright everybody, it ended up being that I had to split it up into 2 batches to coat all the cauliflower properly, but now that it's all coated, I recommend you just top it with a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt, and then we're ready to move on to the next step. Moving right along with this recipe, we're on to step number 5. And step number 5 is going to be cook your ghost broccoli. So, what you should do is take your basket out of your air fryer, grab some non-stick cooking spray, and spray that bad boy down. Once your drawer is sprayed, I would take your cauliflower and add it to the drawer. Then I would shake the drawer out so the cauliflower settles and put it in your air fryer. Do the same with your other bowl of cauliflower. Moving right along, now that your baskets are full of ghost broccoli, it's time to actually cook them. So push your baskets into your air fryer, set them to air fry at 375 degrees for 12 minutes, and then turn it on. Now, it's going to cook for 12 minutes, but at 6 minutes, we're going to shake the baskets up so that the ghost broccoli cooks evenly. Alright folks, our ghost broccoli is just about done, so when this goes off, we're going to check it and see how it is. I guess it's got to cool. No, I think we'll probably just take it out. Alright everybody, looks like our ghost broccoli is done, so it's time to take it out and move on to the final step, which is going to be plating. Now, luckily, ghost broccoli is very easy to plate. Just kind of put it into whatever bowl or dish you want. So I'm gonna take these 2 air fryer buckets and dump all the ghost broccoli into the middle bowl. And just like that, you're ready to serve at any function. Alright everyone, let's see how they came out. Woo! That is spicy! Delicious. Sure to be a hit at any Halloween party. And there you have it, folks. Spicy ghost broccoli. Alright everyone, that concludes this week's spooky episode of Cooking Corner with Giuseppe CrimiVaroli. I hope you really enjoy the spicy ghost broccoli. If you do, leave a like on this video. If there's something you want to see on the channel, leave it in the comments below and I'll try and make it. And, bye-bye now. Trick or treat, matey.
What the hell? It's Christmas.
It's Christmas.
Christmas!
How many cakes are we gonna do?
Alright, one more. This is the one.
Trick or treat, matey.
What the hell? Trick or treat. October. One more. This is
One
the
more.
This is the one.